Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the number one opportunity discovering platform. We are back with another great opportunity for students looking to go abroad. We bring you the KAIST Undergraduate Scholarship 2022. This is an amazing opportunity to study in South Korea. As you know, recently KAIST graduates offered scholarships to international students, so we will share another news. KAIST is now accepting applications for undergraduate scholarships for international students. Getting into the KAIST would be a life-changing experience in every student's life. They get to show their innovation and share their ideas. Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology is an institute that prioritizes students and leads them to research, globalization, and entrepreneurship. Students pursuing an undergraduate program at KAIST have the benefit they can study the first semester without a major, so later on they can choose or change their majors before the second semester completes. The scholarship is open for all international students. The government of South Korea founded KAIST as the best science and tech institute of Korea. It ranks as number 5th best university in South Korea, and according to the QS World Ranking, it ranks at 199. KAIST consists of more than 11,688 students enrolled. The scholarship is offered in the following undergraduate programs: Aerospace Engineering, Bio and Brain Engineering, Biological Science, Business and Technology Management, Chemistry, Civil and Environmental Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Industrial Design, Industrial and System Engineering, Mathematical Science, Nuclear and Quantum Engineering, and Physics. The eligibility criteria to apply for the KAIST undergraduate scholarship: all international students can apply. The students aiming to apply must have completed high school. Students with dual nationality cannot apply for the scholarship program. The candidates must maintain a GPA of at least 2.7 or 4.3 after the first year. Korean applicants who studied outside of Korea are also eligible to apply. International students who previously studied in Korea can also apply for the scholarship program. The benefits of the scholarship program: quality education and experience and scholarships for international students, full tuition fee for 8 semesters, living allowance of about 3,50,000 KRW monthly, medical health insurance for international students. To apply for the scholarship program, click on the link given in the description section of this video, and after clicking on the link, you'll be redirected to this page. Scroll down towards the application process section and click on Apply Now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunities Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on the link, you will be redirected to the KAIST scholarships. Applicants of international student admission are eligible to apply for the scholarship program. You will be given full tuition fee exemption for 8 semesters, living expenses of 3,50,000 KRW per month, and medical health insurance. The application process for the scholarship is same as the admission application. There is no separate process for applying scholarship. Just check the KAIST scholarship on the Statement of Financial Resources section on the online application for admission. The selection procedure: all of the applications will be reviewed thoroughly and equally during the admission process. If you are finally get the admission, you will be automatically receiving the KAIST scholarship. To apply for the scholarship, click on Applications and click on Apply. Do read the eligibility criteria and before you apply. Click on Apply. Select the semester that you want to apply for, the spring semester or the fall semester. You can read the eligibility criteria, the admission timeline, and admission fee, and then click on Go to Apply. The first step is information about personal information protection, the consent to the collection and use of personal information. Read this carefully and then click on I agree. And the second part is notice to collection and use of foreign registration number, passport number. Click on I agree and then click on Application. Change your language to English. The first step is applicant information. Your name in English, your last name, your first name. Then you have to upload a picture of yourself, create a password, confirm your password, select your nationality, your gender, your date of birth, your place of birth, your postal address, your email address, your telephone number, your mobile phone number, your guardian's information, name, relationship to you, postal address and telephone number of your guardian. Then select your fields of interest and then click on Save and Continue. The second step is high school information. You have to add in your high school name, your high school postal address, official internet website, expected graduation date, your recommender information, name, position, city, email address, school name, postal address, country, and telephone number, your academics, date of entrance, date of graduation, education, name, country, city, and enrolled period. Add all this information, then add information about your English proficiency test, your extracurricular activities, work experience, and then click on Save and Continue. The next step is standardized official test score. You have to give scores about SAT, AP, ACT test, your IB diploma, your GCE A-levels Cambridge diploma, International Olympiad or national exam, and then click on Next. The fourth step is honors and awards. Title of your honor, rank, date, level of recognition, issuing institution, and upload the file. You can add up to 5 honors and then click on Next. The fifth step is admission essay. It should be within 300 words. Write a personal statement. Your personal statement should be within 200 words. Please cite any cases in which you thought and made attempts in ways different from others and describe how much ideas or attempts affected you and people around you. State this in 200 words, and then you have to certify that all information provided in my application is accurate, complete, and honestly presented. Check the boxes and click on Next. The next step is financial resources. Select KIST scholarship, tuition fees and living expenses. List of documents. You have to give documents of income tax return, wage statement, employer's letter, and business company supplement or bank account statement. And the final step is the submission of your application. Then click on Doc Submission. You can submit your documents after you have successfully paid the application fees. To pay the application fee, click on Pay Now. After clicking on Pay Now, add the desired payment method and pay your application fee and submit your documents. You can check your results by clicking on Result Announcement. These are the final steps. Your application will be submitted after you pay the application fee and submit your documents. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that you liked this video, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.